These animals actually exist on Earth. The last one is so weird, almost nobody gets it right. Let's guess it by their images. Number 1, snow lion. Number 2, antelope. Number 3, red panda. If you get 3 out of 3 so far, follow. Let's get to smart one. Number 4, pangolin. Number 5, fossa. Before we continue, your phone can be hacked through public Wi-Fi. Avoid banking/logins on public Wi-Fi. Use mobile data or VPN. All right, let's continue. Number 6, Himalayan wolf. Number 7, I. Number 8, maned wolf. Number 9, Iberian lynx. Final round, comment your score out of 10 and share someone who loves wildlife. Last one. Saiga antelope.